welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect Stripe or Shopify Payouts and forecast cash in Novo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply connect Stripe to Shopify first. So once you are in your Shopify account, you need to simply go to the settings and simply find the payment module and add payment method and search for Stripe. Now log in into your Stripe account when prompted and authorize the connection. You'll need an active paid Shopify plan and Stripe must be available in your country. Now you need to go and visit your Novo. After you have done this, you need to go in Novo and navigate to the app section and click on the Stripe icon. So select to connect Stripe integration and choose the Stripe account you want to connect or sign up for Stripe directly through Novo. So now to forecast cash flow from Novo's dashboard, you can simply do it by connecting your account, or from Stripe's account you can do it by reviewing the available balance. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.